Okay. Hello guys, kini pulin sa tag Android stereo sa Kia Rio niya. Okay. Guys. Mara ni laksi ra ni. Dala mo rin si kon pa match mechanic, lagnot dala ibot.
Sawayan ta niya vlog ra ba nimo nga to baluton sawayan ta tapos na bonus migo manawayon kayo
Ikaw yung siguro nagamit ng tyre baka
sila ima ka na ganyan tawag sila speaker
sige yo ada
oh number 2. Yeah, steering mo.
Reverse.
Playing the hits of today and the hits of the past. Nothing but the greatest and the latest. We've got the right mix of music to keep you alert on the road and relax as you make your way through rush hour traffic. Spend your weekdays with the Drive Time Show on RJFM and RJ Digi TV.
Short press, long press, short press. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Mode pa.
Happy hump day, guys. We're already midweek. I hope you're hanging in there. If you're a little bit stressed out, just remember to take a deep breath. All right, that's how we're gonna start this show. But yeah, welcome to the Drive Time Show. You got your Drive Time angel DJ Isa joining you all the way till 7 p.m. today.
Okay, that's all.
I will try my very best